Now our next part is join the following sentences. We have separate sentences. We need to join them, and we shall join them as we are asked, because here you need to join this sentence into complex sentence. So what is a complex sentence? I have explained before also. Complex sentence is a sentence where the two parts of the sentence are not independent. One part depends upon the another. Here it is what? There are two separate sentences. Full stop है. एक sentence ये है, it is a small green valley, और दूसरा सेंटेंस क्या है? A slow stream flows there. तो दोनों में कोई यहाँ पर कनेक्शन नहीं है, बट वी नीड टू मेक द कनेक्शन. एंड वो कनेक्शन जैसे तैसे नहीं बनाना है, वो कनेक्शन ऐसे बनाना है कि वो सेंटेंस कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म में आ जाए. तो व्हाट इट विल बी? It is a small green valley. We need to join some linking word here. We will remove this full stop, and we need to join some linking word here, with which these separate sentences will be joined, and it would be so that one part will be depending on another. So we can write, it is a small green valley. It is a small green valley where a small stream flows. तो क्या हो गया? It is a small green valley, first part, but where a small stream flows. So this where has connected these two separate sentences into one complex, and here we can see that this part is not independent. This part is depending upon this part, where a small stream flows. So it is a small green valley where a small stream flows. तो ये पार्ट जो दोनों हैं, इसमें there are two parts of sentences, but one part is independent and another part is not independent. This kind of combination is called complex sentence. And now let me do this simple one. How to join it into simple? A soldier lies open-mouthed. He is very young. एक ये सेंटेंस है, एक ये सेंटेंस है, मगर हमको किस में ज्वाइन करना है? सिंपल में. एंड सिंपल सेंटेंस इज व्हाट? सिंपल सेंटेंस जैसे ये एक कंप्लीट सिंपल सेंटेंस है, ये एक कंप्लीट सिंपल सेंटेंस है, क्योंकि इसमें एक सब्जेक्ट है और बाकी प्रेडिकेट है. इसमें भी एक सब्जेक्ट है, बाकी प्रेडिकेट है. But our point is we need to join these two sentences into one simple. तो इसमें one part को हम लोगों को एकदम phrase में बदल देना होगा. A soldier lies open mouthed. He is very young. तो we can, इस part में क्या बात है? He is very young. तो we can write a young soldier. So this part is merged into this part, and it will become one simple sentence. A soldier, बाद में उसके बारे में दिया हुआ है who is very young. तो we can write here a young soldier. इस पार्ट को पूरा इसके बीच में ले आए. A young soldier lies open mouthed. So understood? Now it has become one complete sentence, that is one simple sentence, जिसमें एक सब्जेक्ट हो गया, यंग सोल्जर हो गया सब्जेक्ट, और ये हो गया प्रेडिकेट, लाइज ओपन माउथ्ड. सो दिस इज द सिस्टम. कहीं पर आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स मतलब दोनों पार्ट में एक दूसरे पर देयर वुड बी टू पार्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स में, मगर सिंपल में देयर वुड बी ओनली वन कंप्लीट सेंटेंस, वन पार्ट. देयर वुड बी नो क्लॉज. यहाँ पर देयर आर टू क्लॉजेस. क्लॉज मीन्स व्हाट? two parts of the sentence, but here the whole sentence is in one part. You cannot divide it into two clauses or two parts. Hope you have understood. Now you will do the rest of the sentences on your own, and then I will check them. Try to follow them. Later on I'll give you the correct answers also, don't worry. But you should practice on your own first. Let it be wrong if it is wrong, but later on when I give you the correct answers, you match them with your answer. Then only that is the process where you will learn. यहाँ पर मैं बता देती हूँ, पिलो इज बीनीथ हिज हेड, इट इज मेड ऑफ फन. पिलो के बारे में है, विच इज मेड ऑफ फन. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग अ पिलो वी कैन राइट अ फन पिलो. A fern pillow. A pillow which is made of fern means a fern pillow is beneath his head. That would be the answer. He lies pale in his bed. It is warm. It is sun-soaked. He lies pale in his warm sun-soaked bed. यहाँ पर दोनों को इसी में डाल दिया. He lies pale in his warm sun-soaked bed. Understood? Okay, so you will try the rest of the sentences.